The home we're in right now is called the Serenity. And this is a different home than you usually see from Phoenix. Phoenix usually builds 400 square foot park models. This one is only 315 square feet. Not an ADU, but this is more of a cabin. This one, they were fortunate. They won a bid for the state of Mississippi to supply some cabins for their parks. And this is one of the units that are, well, this is the unit floor plan that they're supplying. So we're going to take you through this home. Like I said, 315 square feet. It is 11'8" on the outside, 27 foot long. It is a cabin. It is built for government contracting, so it doesn't have a lot of super nice frills. It's your basic get by. Imagine this parked in a park somewhere. You go for a weekend retreat. This is where you go, and the government's not going to pay for all the fancy stuff. You're not even going to see a washer and dryer in this home. But anyway, without further ado, let's get on with this tour. So guys, we're in the Serenity by Phoenix Building Solutions. This home is set up like a studio. So it's one great room that contains your living area, your dining area, your kitchen, and your sleeping area. Your bathroom is the only separate room in this building. Tammy just showed you the living area. This is the way they've set it up. You could do it different, but I'm in the dining room. Got these nice two windows behind me, and Tammy's over here at the front door. This is your standard 36-inch front door with your blinds inside. You've got your lighting, indoor and outdoor lighting here. And I just got shocked. Probably put my heart back into rhythm or out of rhythm again. Up top, we want to look. We've got our mini split up top, our unit. This is a Della as they've gone to. They're nice Della units. We're going to move into the kitchen. This kitchen is set up as a straight line kitchen, half galley, whatever you want to call it. This one's got an apartment style refrigerator. Remember, this is a stripped down kind of version, a stock unit, a basic unit. This is for great for an ADU, great for if you wanted to buy a home for a Airbnb, or if you want to buy a bunch of homes for an Airbnb, this would be great. Um, anyway, we're in the kitchen. We've got deep bowl, standard size sink, gooseneck faucet with a pull out, and we have these nice acrylic countertops. Bellevade. Bellevade makes these. I'll put information of that maybe along the bottom and in the description if I can look Bellevade up. This is a nice granite style look to it. Down below here we have our microwave. And being that this is more of a studio, you don't see an oven or a stove or anything like that. You've got a 2-burner cooktop, and this one is glass top. It has the touch controllers, doesn't have the big old garbly knobs in here that you have to pop off and clean all the food gunk up.
The toaster oven would be a nice addition,
Yeah,
right?
just a
Because
little toaster oven.
there's toaster ovens that have convection now, and your dad, or not your dad.
Your dad?
Okay,
Your dad.
Mr. Chubby and
Mr.
I
Chubby.
have been cooking
She's
um, on a cooktop and a
toaster oven.
toaster oven for the last month because we removed the kitchen cabinet.
Yeah, we're in the middle of a remodeled our house. We took our whole kitchen out. We're getting ready to remodel it, and you gotta eat. Mr. Chubby gotta eat. I'll tell you that much. But anyway, you've got plenty of countertop in this studio that you can set a toaster oven on. Anything you'd like. I'm going to give you an idea here. Let's walk by here. Water heater's under here. This is a standard water heater, not a tankless. It is a tank. That looks like it's about probably a 20 gallon, I would say. But let me see if I can get a good measurement on this countertop. Measure. Yep. This countertop is just under 10 foot long. That's a lot of countertop, a lot of counter space. So up above us, Tammy will show you, but I'm just going to go ahead and tell you. There's just tons. I can't even count that high. I need my grandson and my granddaughter to help me count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes after 7? 8. 8. There are 8 recessed lights in here with a ceiling fan in the middle of this room. This studio room, is 11 foot wide by 21 foot long. So I can't do math. 132 square feet, I guess that is. And you can arrange this however you want. Right back here, we have the bed. Now, this bed does not come with the home, but they made this bed here. If you want them to make a bed in the unit for you, they will do that, of course, at added cost. And a nice little bed. A little privacy there. It looks like mosquito netting, but that's a shower curtain. And back here on the back wall, we have our electrical panel unit. This is a 100 amp power unit, or I say power unit, electrical box. Mr. Chubby a little rusty. It's been months since we filmed a video, so y'all bear with us, please. But we're trying to get those squeaky wheels greased up. Tammy's going to walk into the bathroom. I'm not going to get in her way and bump around with her, but you've got a full bathtub and shower unit to the right when you walk in the bathroom door, and you have standard fixtures in this home because, like I keep saying, it is a stock unit, and it's a stock. So you can check it out. It's got a nice barn-style door here, finished in the wood and the painted wood, the tongue and groove with the painted wood. And there's not a lot of light in that bathroom, and I apologize for that, folks, but there are no windows in this bathroom. There are plenty of recessed lights in the bathroom and an exhaust fan, but you've got your same countertop that carries over to your vanity in this bathroom. And I know this is always a hot topic, but I want to let you see. Can you zoom in on this, Tammy? Hold on. Let me get it steady. 2 foot 11-inch door clearance. It's a 3 foot door into the bathroom, but you have 2 foot 11-inch. Guess what that means? You have to wheel around in a wheelchair.
Yes.
But it's also for government.
Great studio that would be wonderful to add as an additional bedroom for a person that needs an ADU light.
Right, exactly. But Phoenix is listening. This is also under a government contract, so they have to make it ADA accessible for that. But flanking, you saw this in the video. I didn't mention it, but I'm going to mention now. Flanking the bed on either side, you've got your large transom lights. Windows back here, you've got the corner windows and a small window over your kitchen sink. It kind of feels homey like that. Tammy loves this unit. I love this unit. I think it's great. It's 315 square feet, as I said before. Outside dimension 11 foot 8 by 27. The bathroom is 5 foot deep because of the tub and 11 foot wide. So that's 55 square feet in your bathroom. Out here in the main room, 132 square feet, 11 foot by 21 feet. And I will, as I have been doing for all our Canadian and European viewers, I have been putting the metric measurements in the videos. I'll continue to do that if you find that helpful. But great looking home. It's got your standard roll vinyl inside. It's got your tongue and groove unfinished throughout. One ceiling fan in here. You saw the outside tour. Mr. Chubby and Miss Tammy are back. Guess who's back? Back again. No, we're not back. We're not 100% yet, but we're getting there, guys.
Is this really sheet vinyl?
Yeah, this is the sheet vinyl.
I really love this.
It's a sheet vinyl.
That looks very nice.
Finished in the popular gray colors that you have nowadays. And of course, I did a video about all the options Phoenix offers. And if you look at that video, you'll get an idea. If you go to their website, you'll get an idea. I'll put a link to the website right across the bottom of this video, wherever it ends up, and in the description, as I always do. Try to give you guys as much information as I can. This unit is number 100. They made it for their 100th home build. It is going to be a new model that they will make and will continue to make as long as there is demand for it. Smaller than normal, not by you purist definitions a tiny home, but 315 square feet. It's smaller than your standard park models of 399 square feet, smaller than what they normally build. It is the smallest home they have built. Even their ADU that we showed you in one of their videos, this is smaller than that. So, without further ado, I told you. Hey guys, today's video sponsor is a Like Live. We have this nice bi-directional laser tape measure. Now it's electronic. They sent it to us. We've been using it in our videos. You see me carrying it around pointing it. The coolest thing about this one, this is model SW211R, and I'll put links in the description where you can buy this on Amazon with a discount code. It's amazing. If you need to measure stuff, you need to do it. You don't want to deal with a tape measure. But the cool thing about this one, it's got a laser on this side, laser on this side. I don't have to run to the side of a room and point a laser at a wall and to measure the whole distance. All I've got to do is stand anywhere I want, hit a button twice, beep beep, and it reads from there all the way across to there. Another feature too that's really cool about it, I can sit right here. I can measure the distance from me to that wall. I can measure the distance to the peak, and it'll tell me how tall that wall is without moving. Just boop, boop, and it'll tell me how tall the wall is. Really cool feature in case you're interested in trigonometry. And the last feature, it has a built-in bubble for level. It'll level this way, it'll level this way, and it also has an angle meter inside. It will tell you what your angle is. So it comes in handy if you're doing projects where you need to know the angle or anything else. That's our sponsor today, eLike Live. Links for Amazon in the bottom with discount codes. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this tour. Phoenix has 5 more homes that in their stock unit blowout, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to cover these other 5 homes. So make sure, I'm going to try to fix something in the title that says stock unit, and I might say price or something. But I want you guys to watch all the videos. Choose the home that's right for you. Maybe you just like to watch these tours. Maybe you just like to listen to me and Tammy banter about and talk and yak. And maybe you just like tours of homes. So we hope you do. We're glad you join us. We're glad you watch us and support us by watching us. Best way you can support us and like us is hit that thumbs up to like that video. And you can share it with your friends. And you can subscribe to our channel. And if you subscribe, ring that notification bell that goes ding ding or ding ding or however it goes. And another good way of supporting us, drop a comment. Even if you just say hi, 1 comment helps our video. 2 comments really helps our video. 3 comments, we start getting into astronomical video numbers. We're like 10 million views. No, I wish. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. You got anything else? Did I miss anything, Tammy? You got to keep me in line, folks, because I'm not very much in line right now. My brain hurts and my chest hurts and everything else. So anyway, guys, we love you. See you on the next one.